Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Training Room Recap for Wednesday, February, January the 8th. My name is Barry Enerson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. And this is a link to get into our free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our trading room. The room is open between 9 and 3 every day. Well, not every day, Monday to Friday, not on the weekends. And that, of course, is Eastern time. I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. In the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Idea subscription. I think I'm also going to put in a link for the test drive. We now have we do have a test drive date, and that is February the 3rd, which is a Monday, February the 3rd, going to the Friday, February 14th. So it's 10 days, up to 10 days, and it'll cost $8.99. It'll allow you access to our premium service for those 10 trading days. You can also participate if you're a standard subscriber and you want to upgrade to the premium service for those 10 days. And again, I'll have a link there. If you fill out the form, you will then get notified exactly how to sign up, etc. Okay? So that's not too far from now. It's a little over 3 weeks from now. So let's see. I'm in a couple of trades right now. I just have to keep an eye on them. I had a lot of questions this morning, and so consequently, I really couldn't pay that much attention to my simulator as much as I would like to have. So I'm really only going to go over a couple of things that happened with the AI. CEI. Now, this is one that actually I took yesterday, just before the market closed, and I was planning to swing it. But then, now, we don't see this, and I have to ask development why this happens, because this is our after hours. That's the mauve area right there. It actually did get up to, I think it's 360 or so, even higher after hours, but it's just not showing there. So I actually took the trade out. I had a limit order out just in case it did that. So I took myself out of the trade, and I'm glad I did when I saw it this morning. And then this morning, the AI had an alert at 356, and then in my watch list, I think it was around 370. I ended up taking the trade right around 360. It popped all the way up to just over 4, and I got out right around here as it broke down below 4 again. So, very, very erratic though, but it certainly is an after hours. I don't generally do this, but I just liked the way it was trading. I had a nice gap on the daily chart, weekly, so I thought and was over the whole number. So that's why I ended up taking this and thinking that I would actually swing it until tomorrow. But when it did, again, you can't see this, but when it did that in the after hours yesterday, I decided, hey, I'm out of it. Let's see. I'm in this read. PRTS. I just took this read just before started this video. There's the alert at 106. I'm actually in at 106. And so we'll see what happens. It's a real cheap one, of course. It has some room on the weekly chart. And I'm also in AEMD, another inexpensive one, AEMD. I'm in at 132, so I'm just a little bit under on this one. This is one, you have to take a look at it, why I'm in this. You have to take a look at, say, the weekly chart. And you can see right there, so it's right at last week's high, and some fund said that they have a just under 10% stake in them. And so that's what caused this one to kind of pop a little bit. So actually it looks a little bit, if you look on the daily chart, yeah, you can see it a little more clear on the daily chart. So this was the day I think that fund announced. It pulled back a little bit, but now it's right there. But that's why I'm doing it, because of the potential void. It's only 9 million in the float. I'm not going to hang around too long. If it gets into, say, 127, I'm probably going to take it out, and because I was looking for a nice quick pop, but it may not happen. So if it doesn't happen, I just take myself out of the trade. So I want to get back into the room. And so this is, I know, a very quick video. Just want to make sure everybody knows that the test drive is coming up February the 3rd. I want to make sure of that date.
PRTS.
Yes, February 3rd to February 14th inclusive. That is 10 trading days. So you'll have up to 10 trading days. And what I mean by that is that if you can join us on the 3rd and go to the 14th, you'll have 10 days. sometimes people can't join right on the third or the first day. Maybe they can join on the second day, in which case you'd get 9 days. It's not rolling. It doesn't start not 10 days from whenever you start. It's a 10-day window, and hopefully you can take advantage of the full 10 days. It only costs $8.99. We do not have free trials, but that's about the closest thing you're going to get to a free trial. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the room, so I'll bring back the capture program. And there's the link for the room, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.